Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be making the Deadpool Dual pistols from Fortnite. So you're going to need in this video scissors, some cardboard, maybe, not sure, a highlighter or marker, and a hot glue gun. So our first step is going to be making these shapes, and we're going to be making two types of rectangles. The first rectangle is going to be a shape like this. Our second rectangle is going to be shaped like this. So our first step, so while you're going to cut out those rectangles, I'm going to cut out the top and the bottom of the dual pistols. I know dual means two, but in this video I'm only going to show you how to make one. So if you want to make another one, you can just rewatch the video. So first, you're going to need a long cardboard piece. You're going to cut out a piece that's the same size as the dual pistol. As the pistol. Then you're going to glue it on. So you're basically just making a rectangle. Or like basically making a rectangle. Which for me, I'm not sure for you, for me it's gonna be a little easy. So I'm putting the top and the bottom right now. I'm gonna paint my Deadpool Dual pistols red and black because that's how they're supposed to be. So right now, forgot to tell you that I'm making the handlebar, the handle. It's getting into shape. I know it doesn't look much like the Deadpool guns, but once you add more detail, it's gonna start looking like it more. Almost done. Then I get a cardboard piece. So right now, all I have to do is the trigger. So I'm making the trigger right now. Add a glue. I'm gonna get a glue stick. Get the trigger a little bit wrong. I'm not done, but this is where the video is gonna end. So bye guys. See you in our next video. And remember, if you want to make another one, all you have to do is replay the video. So it's actually a dual pistol. Bye guys. Ba-doom, ba-doom, ba-doom.